It was reported by local media that classes are currently being carried out online using the government-run madrasa platform. Other regions in the kingdom, such as Riyadh, Jeddah, Taif and Medina, also declared that in-person classes would be suspended. Jeddah, a city of roughly 4 million people located near the Red Sea, is often referred to as the gateway to Mecca, where millions perform the Hajj and Umrah pilgrimages each year.
يا اني ما قد شفت هذا المطر بحياتي. يوم ما خلقت ما قد يا وجه الله يا الله. الحمد لله على كل حال وفي كل حال.